Hi you guys, I'm sharing with you today 4 side dishes for summertime, and you don't have to cook these. I really love no-cook sides and meals, especially when it's so hot outside. It is in the 100 degrees right now, and the last thing I want to do is turn the oven and the stove on. So these 4 no-cook side dishes are so perfect for barbecues, potlucks, a side dish for your dinner as well. So I hope that you love these. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I really enjoy sharing my quick and easy meal recipes with you. So let me show you these 4 summer side dishes that don't require any cooking. So this is going to be a mango black bean salad. It is so perfect for summertime. So I have 2 mangoes that I have chopped up into some small little pieces. I have a can of corn. I'm going to drain that corn and put that in. I have a can of black beans as well. So I'm going to wash and drain these black beans. I have an orange bell pepper. Love orange bell peppers. They just have the best taste. So dice up that bell pepper. I'm going to add in some onion as well. I have a red onion, and I'm going to use about half of the red onion chopped up into some small pieces. I have some little grape tomatoes. I love these during the summertime. So all of this is just super fresh summer stuff. There is some canned corn and canned black beans, but everything else is fresh and absolutely delicious. I'm going to add in some seasonings here as well. I have some lemon juice and I have some olive oil. So this is really simple and it's just so good and so perfect for summer. I love that you don't have to cook anything. So you can put this together really easily. You can do it the day before or the morning of any kind of function you're going to or having guests over. So it sits really well. Absolutely love this one, and like I said, it is just perfect for summer, and you don't have to heat your kitchen up to make it. So I'm going to make a pea salad, and this is one of my all-time favorites, a big bag of frozen peas. I have half of a chopped up red onion. I have these bacon crumbles. I get these from Costco, and they are so good and so convenient, a cup of that. I have a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I have a cup of mayonnaise. So really easy, didn't have to cook anything once again, and I'm just gonna mix all of this together, and it is absolutely delicious. Like I said, one of my favorites, and I can really make this one all year round, but it is so perfect for summertime. Now this is a family favorite. It is Fritos chili cheese corn chips. Corn, shredded cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, and onion. Really simple. So 2 cans of corn drained. I have my onion chopped up. I used a white onion for this. You can use any kind of onion that you want, really. So I'm going to add in my shredded cheddar cheese. So this is really simple ingredients, and it is really amazing. We have this a lot at our family functions over the summer. We have it just probably about every time we get together as a family. So my mom started making this recipe years ago, many years ago, and it is just so good. So it is on repeat at our house now. I'm going to add in a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm going to give all of this a big stir. And then the kind of trick to this salad is that you don't want to add the chili flavored Cheetos until right before you're going to serve this. So you can make this corn part with the cheese and the mayonnaise and the onion. You can make this ahead of time. The morning of your party would be perfect. But when you're about to serve this is when you want to add in the Fritos, and then it'll help them stay super crunchy and add a really, really awesome flavor to this. So here, these are the chili cheese corn chips, not regular Fritos, but the chili cheese version. So I'm going to add in about 2 cups and going to give this a nice stir, and everyone loves this. This will be a huge, huge hit at your picnic or barbecue or whatever party you're going to bring this to or serve it at. So good. Broccoli salad is just one of my go-tos for the summertime. So I have my broccoli chopped up, have a cup of mayonnaise, I have half of a diced up red onion, I have a quarter of a cup of sunflower seeds, I have some dried cranberries as well. I have some apple cider vinegar also, and then I have some cooked bacon, so you can use any kind of bacon crumbles that you like, and I'm just going to use this bacon. You can get it bacon pre-cooked, which I love to do, so that you don't have to worry about even cooking that at all. So I'm just going to cut up my bacon, and then I will give this a big stir. I like to make this usually the night before or the morning of, so that it gives this mayonnaise a chance to kind of soak in a little bit to this broccoli, and it will just make this perfect. The texture will be perfect. So definitely a go-to in the summertime. All of these salads were no cook. You don't have to cook anything at all. You don't have to heat up that kitchen of yours. So I hope that you loved these. I hope it gave you some inspiration for some summer side dishes that you and your family and friends will enjoy. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.